What's up, everybody? My awesome girlfriend once again got me a box of this year's Donruss, so pretty excited. One autograph from memorabilia, and let's see if I can get something. Usually these are always those rookie jerseys, so I'm hoping I can get one of the rookies I don't have. Probably like D'Angelo Russell, Kristaps Porzingis, Justice Winslow, or Devin Booker. So as long as I can grab one of them, this box will be awesome. If not, it will still be good. So let's find out which pack. Ignore my stupid dog. Just a second while she gets him outside. I don't want it to be. Alright, there we go. Alrighty, everybody. First pack. Donruss. Let's see what we can get out of it. Sorry about the dogs, you guys. Alright, Kevin Martin, Mo Williams, Harrison Barnes, Whiteside, Tim Duncan, Elite. Wesley Matthews, Trevor Ariza, Derrick Rose. Next one. No rookie in that pack. Usually you get a rookie. Wiggins, Smith, Kufis, Teague. D'Angelo Russell, rated rookie. Tony Roten, Lance Stevenson, Devin Harris. Next pack. Giannis, Andre Iguodala, Hardaway Jr., Rudy, DeLone Wright, rookie, not bad. Tony Parker, Michael Kidd-Gilchrist, Julius Randle. DeLone Wright's from Utah. It's pretty cool. I don't think I have the rated rookie one of D'Angelo yet. Valanciunas, Redick, Exum, Brandon Wright, Steph Curry, Elite Series. Pretty cool. Rondo, Collison, and Dunleavy. Next pack. Anything Steph Curry right now is at a good price, even though they're getting their butt kicked. Speaking of Steph Curry, there we go. Vonleh, Mason Plumlee, and Stanley Johnson. Franchise Futures, rookie insert. Elfrid Payton, extra edition. Marcus Smart, Westbrook, and Darren Williams. Hoping to get someone good. And obviously I didn't say Anthony Towns at the start of this because I already have one, but if I get him, I'll be happy as well. Trey Burke, Danny Green, Aaron Aflalo, Scoring Kings, Chris Webber. TJ McConnell, rated rookie. Gerald Henderson, John Wall, and Pau Gasol. Next pack. Here we go. Jeff Green, Bogut, Mayo, Wilson Chandler. There we go. There's a numbered card. That's a good-looking card. Just has a really good look to it. Numbered out of 199. Pretty sweet. I like that. And Mark Price. Yeah, that card just looks good. Not too bad. I like the colors on it. All right. So far, one numbered card. Let's see. Next. Teletovich. Markieff Morris, Rudy Gay, Kyle Korver, Terry Rozier, the rookies. Ben McLemore, Anthony Davis, Vince Carter. Next. PJ Tucker, Chris Middleton, Danilo Gallinari, Ed Davis, Rebounding Kings, Dwight Howard, Quincy Pondexter, Bradley Beal, and DeAndre Jordan. Alright, guys, one pack and then the hit. So, let's do this. Next pack. Ilyasova, Mozgov, Hayward, Luol Deng, Elite Series of Oscar Robertson. Big O. Pretty sweet. Jared Dudley, Jordan Clarkson, Monta Ellis, and time for the hit. Probably one of those rookie jerseys, so hoping it is someone good. Let's take these cards, move it back. Evan Turner, Chandler Parsons, Nicholas Batum, Carmelo, Carter Williams, Jameer Nelson, Gary Harris, and old school auto. Pulling auto, old school Hubert Davis. That's pretty sweet. A lot better than what I'd expect. I thought that's pretty thick auto, so I was thinking it could be a jersey. That's cool. Never seen one of those yet. Pretty sweet. Hubert Davis auto. All right, guys. So pretty much the recap. Got that numbered card, Hubert Davis and Steph Curry. Not too bad. All right. Peace.
Yeah.